In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces in Nano Banana. This fun and creative process will allow you to create unique images by blending facial features from different photos. Whether you're doing this for professional editing or just for a bit of fun, let's walk through the steps to achieve a perfect face swap. First, you'll need to head over to Google Gemini, which is the platform we'll be using for this tutorial. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Gemini app. It's user-friendly, and you'll find that it's pretty intuitive even if it's your first time. Make sure your internet connection is stable so everything loads smoothly. Once you're on the Google Gemini platform, look for the Add Files icon. This icon lets you upload the images you want to work with. Click on it, and a window will pop up, giving you the option to upload your files. Here, you'll want to select your source image, which contains the face you want to use, and your target image, which is the one with the face you wish to replace. After your images are uploaded, it's time to craft a suitable text prompt. This is a crucial step because this is where you'll communicate to the AI what you want to achieve. You might say something like, swap faces in these two images, or put the face from the first image onto the person in the second image. The key is to be clear and concise so the AI knows exactly what transformation you desire. With your prompt in place, click on the Generate button. This is where the magic happens. The AI will take a few moments to process the images based on your instructions. While it's working, take a moment to ensure you're satisfied with your image selections and the clarity of your prompt. Once the AI finishes processing, you'll be presented with the new image now featuring the swapped faces. Take a good look at it and examine the details. Sometimes tiny adjustments might be needed, or you might want to try another iteration with a different angle. When you're happy with the result, it's time to download your newly minted image. Simply click the download button and the image will save to your device. And there you have it. You've successfully swapped faces using Nano Banana on the Google Gemini platform. I hope this tutorial was helpful and inspires you to experiment further with different images and techniques. Feel free to share your creations and remember to have fun with the process. If you have any questions or need more tips, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy editing.